Welcome, fellow ocean enthusiasts, to a breathtaking underwater adventure. Today, we embark on a captivating journey to explore the fascinating world of sea turtles, from their tiny hatchling beginnings to becoming majestic ocean wanderers. But why should we be so intrigued by these ancient mariners? Well, my friends, sea turtles are not just charismatic creatures, they are vital to the health of our marine ecosystems. And they face some incredible challenges along the way. In this video, our objectives are clear: to educate you about the incredible life of sea turtles, inspire you with their remarkable journey, and most importantly, promote conservation efforts that will ensure their survival for generations to come. So, get ready to be awestruck by their beauty, moved by their resilience, and motivated to join the global community dedicated to safeguarding these ancient treasures of the ocean. Let's dive right in. Sea turtles encompass a diverse array of species, each with its own unique characteristics and quirks. Some of the most well-known sea turtle species include the loggerhead, green, leatherback, hawksbill, and Kemp's ridley. Each of these species has distinct physical features, behaviors, and preferred habitats, making them a fascinating group of marine reptiles to study and admire. Sea turtles are nomads of the world's oceans, traversing vast distances as they explore the seas. They can be found in various oceanic regions, from the Pacific and Atlantic to the Indian and Mediterranean. However, their connection to land remains crucial. Female sea turtles return to specific nesting beaches, often where they were born, to lay their eggs. These nesting sites are scattered across tropical and subtropical shores, providing crucial havens for the continuation of their species. It is on these beaches that the circle of life for sea turtles begins, as tiny hatchlings emerge from their nests and embark on their perilous journey to the ocean. Sea turtles play an indispensable role in the marine ecosystem, earning them the title of keystone species. Their significance extends far beyond their charismatic appearances. Sea turtles help maintain the health of coral reefs and seagrass beds, as they graze on seagrass, preventing it from becoming overgrown and ensuring the survival of numerous marine species that rely on these habitats. Moreover, the eggs and hatchlings of sea turtles contribute to nutrient cycling on nesting beaches, enriching the ecosystem. Sea turtle populations are indicators of the overall health of marine environments, making their conservation vital for preserving the balance of ocean ecosystems. As we delve deeper into the world of sea turtles, we uncover their intricate role in the intricate tapestry of marine life. Sea turtles embark on an extraordinary journey during the nesting season, typically occurring between March and October, depending on the species and location. These nesting events take place on specific sandy beaches worldwide, with some of the most prominent sites found in Florida, Costa Rica, and the Galapagos Islands. The nesting process is an arduous and delicate affair. Female sea turtles crawl ashore, often under the cover of darkness, to dig a nest cavity with their flippers. Here, they deposit a clutch of eggs, which they carefully cover with sand. Once the nest is complete, the female returns to the ocean, leaving the eggs to incubate on their own. This phase, however, is fraught with challenges, including predation by ghost crabs and egg poachers, as well as natural disasters that can wash away entire nests. The emergence of hatchlings from their nests is a remarkable spectacle. Guided by the moonlight or natural cues, the hatchlings instinctively head toward the sea. They face a perilous journey fraught with dangers, such as predatory birds, beachfront lighting disorientation, and human-made obstacles. Only a fraction of hatchlings will survive to adulthood, making each successful journey to the ocean a triumph of survival. As sea turtles transition from hatchlings to juveniles and subadults, their behaviors and feeding habits evolve. These young turtles primarily inhabit nearshore coastal waters, where they feed on a diet of small marine organisms like jellyfish, crabs, and seagrass. Their diet varies depending on the species, and their feeding habits are vital in shaping the ecosystems they inhabit. Coastal habitats are of paramount importance during this stage of their lives. Seagrass beds and coral reefs in coastal waters provide both sustenance and shelter for juvenile sea turtles. These habitats not only offer a reliable food source but also serve as safe havens from larger predators. The health of these coastal environments is intrinsically linked to the well-being of juvenile sea turtles. As sea turtles reach maturity, their focus shifts to reproduction. The timing of maturation varies between species, but it typically occurs in their 20s or 30s. Adult sea turtles return to their natal or favored nesting beaches to mate and lay eggs. The females nest every few years, while males may never leave the ocean except for a brief courtship. Adult sea turtles are renowned for their impressive navigational skills. They embark on long-distance migrations, often thousands of miles, between foraging and nesting grounds. These migrations are guided by a combination of environmental cues, including Earth's magnetic field and ocean currents. Their ability to navigate with such precision is a testament to the wonder of nature. Sea turtles serve as vital components of marine biodiversity and ecosystem health. Their grazing habits help control seagrass and sponge populations, maintaining the balance of underwater ecosystems. Furthermore, sea turtles are significant nutrient transporters, transferring vital nutrients from the ocean depths to nesting beaches through their nesting activities. Thus, their presence and survival are intricately linked to the overall well-being of our oceans. Sea turtle hatchlings face a perilous journey from their nests to the ocean. During this time, they encounter a range of natural predators, including birds, crabs, and various fish species. Even after reaching the safety of the water, young sea turtles remain vulnerable to larger marine predators like sharks and large predatory fish. Nature's challenges are significant hurdles for these tiny creatures. Sea turtles are not immune to diseases that affect marine life. Fibropapillomatosis, a viral disease, is known to afflict sea turtles, causing the development of tumors on their skin, eyes, and internal organs. These tumors can impair their ability to swim, see, and forage for food, ultimately threatening their survival. The exact causes of this disease are not fully understood, but pollution and environmental stressors may play a role in its prevalence. Pollution, particularly plastic debris in the oceans, poses a grave danger to sea turtles. They often mistake plastic bags and other trash for jellyfish, a staple in their diet. Ingesting plastic can lead to internal blockages, malnutrition, and a slow, painful death. Additionally, oil spills can coat sea turtles and their habitats, disrupting their ability to regulate body temperature and impairing their mobility. Climate change is causing rising sea temperatures and sea levels, which has a significant impact on sea turtles. Rising temperatures can skew the gender ratios of hatchlings since the temperature during incubation determines their sex. Moreover, sea level rise contributes to erosion of nesting beaches, reducing suitable nesting sites for sea turtles. Overfishing and bycatch in commercial fisheries are substantial threats to sea turtles. They can become accidentally entangled in fishing nets and hooked on longlines, leading to injury or death. Bycatch reduction measures and improved fishing practices are essential to mitigate this threat. Habitat destruction and beachfront development alter natural nesting sites, leading to habitat loss for sea turtles. Beachfront construction and light pollution disorient hatchlings, causing them to move away from the ocean, making them vulnerable to predators or exhaustion. Poaching and illegal trade in sea turtle products, such as shells and meat, persist in some regions despite protective laws. These activities further threaten sea turtle populations and undermine conservation efforts. Strict law enforcement and education are essential to combat this issue and raise awareness about the importance of conserving these species. International conventions such as the Convention on International Trade in Endangered Species of Wild Fauna and Flora, CITES, and the Convention on the Conservation of Migratory Species of Wild Animals, CMS, play a crucial role in the protection of sea turtles. CITES regulates the international trade of endangered species and their products, including sea turtle shells and products. CMS focuses on the conservation of migratory species like sea turtles, promoting cooperation among countries to protect these animals during their migrations. Many countries have enacted national protection laws and established marine reserves to safeguard sea turtles and their habitats. These laws often include provisions for the protection of nesting beaches, restrictions on fishing practices that harm sea turtles, and penalties for poaching and illegal trade. Marine reserves create safe havens where sea turtles can thrive without excessive human interference. Various organizations around the world are dedicated to sea turtle conservation. The World Wildlife Fund, WWF, the Sea Turtle Conservancy, and countless local and regional groups work tirelessly to protect sea turtles. These organizations engage in research, habitat restoration, advocacy for policy changes, and community education initiatives. They also support rescue and rehabilitation efforts for injured or stranded sea turtles. Individual citizens can make a significant difference in sea turtle conservation efforts. Participating in beach cleanups helps remove trash and debris from nesting areas, reducing hazards to nesting females and hatchlings. Reporting stranded or injured sea turtles to local authorities or conservation organizations can lead to their rescue and rehabilitation. Responsible tourism practices can also support sea turtle conservation. Avoiding activities like driving on nesting beaches, disturbing nesting turtles, or using bright lights that disorient hatchlings are crucial. Visitors can choose to support eco-friendly accommodations and tour operators that prioritize sea turtle protection. Education and awareness play a pivotal role. Sharing information about sea turtles, their challenges, and the importance of conservation through social media and community outreach can inspire others to get involved. Ultimately, citizen involvement fosters a collective commitment to the preservation of these magnificent creatures and their habitats, ensuring that sea turtles continue to grace our oceans for generations to come. In closing, we've embarked on an incredible journey through the world of sea turtles, exploring their life cycle, the challenges they face, and the vital importance of their conservation. We've witnessed the marvel of hatchlings making their first steps toward the ocean, learned about the critical role sea turtles play as keystone species, and uncovered the threats they encounter, both natural and human-induced. It's abundantly clear that the protection of sea turtles is not just about safeguarding these magnificent creatures themselves, it's about preserving the very health of our oceans. Sea turtles are the guardians of vital ecosystems, maintaining the balance of marine life and habitats. Their survival is intrinsically linked to the well-being of countless other species and the overall health of our seas. But our journey doesn't end here, it's just the beginning. We invite you to be part of the solution. Whether it's joining a local beach cleanup, supporting sea turtle conservation organizations, or advocating for responsible tourism, your actions can make a world of difference. By raising awareness, sharing knowledge, and taking meaningful steps to protect sea turtles and their habitats, we can ensure a brighter future for these ancient mariners and the oceans they call home. Thank you for joining us on this remarkable voyage of discovery. Together, we can ensure that sea turtles continue to grace our oceans for generations to come. Don't forget to check the links and resources in the description for more ways to get involved in sea turtle conservation. If you enjoyed this video and want to learn more about marine life and conservation, please like, share, and subscribe. Together, we can make a positive impact on our planet's most precious treasures.